Jupiter, it's Heather Towe here on this Thursday, January the 11th, 2024, ready to deliver your market in a minute, the go to for single family home insights. Let's decode this week's movements in our local market. Kicking off with new listings, Jupiter has introduced 29 fresh options to the market, hinting at a promising start for homebuyers this year. On the flip side, we've had a notable number of price changes, 37. This reflects a significant reaction from sellers, ensuring their homes stay competitive in the current market landscape. This large number also reveals that a lot of listings are hitting the market above market value. Settling into sold properties, we've had 9 homes close, with these homes taking on average just 28 days to sell. The median sale price for these homes was 725,000, which is a dip from the original list price average of 825,000 to the more adjusted figure of 799,900. With 6 listings moving to pending status, it shows that despite adjustments, there's still movement. Buyers are engaging, but they're also holding out for the right price. However, with 5 listings expiring, it's clear that not all homes are hitting the sweet spot for buyers, emphasizing the delicate balance of pricing homes correctly in our market. Taking a look at this graphic, we can see the median sale price is fluctuating over the months, with a recent uptick in the new median list price. This suggests sellers are optimistic, but the market may require some correction as the actual sale prices are trending lower. The pended list prices have seen some reduction, likely as a result of negotiation after initial listing, where the sold prices have remained fairly consistent, albeit below list price, showing a market that values well priced homes. Deciphering these figures can be complex. If you're pondering how to navigate these waters for buying or selling, let's talk strategy and market specifics. Connect with us on social media for ongoing tips and discussions. I'll be back next Thursday with fresh stats and insights for Jupiter's Market in a Minute. Until then, stay savvy in your real estate ventures.